Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another day. Miss Jackson's class today is Monday, and today we're going to learn about measurement and data, collecting data. You'll be creating a recipe. Every month we create a recipe for math, lesson 21. And this time we're going to make a fruit salad. We love making smoothies and different stuff like that. So maybe like next week or something like that, we can make a smoothie. So this is a fruit salad, and in this lesson, we're gonna take some fruits. We have raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. And then for our other ingredients, we have 2 condiments, which are honey and lime juice. So for this experiment, we're gonna use our imaginations, okay? I kind of improvised because I thought I started buying things like I was doing the whole class lesson, but we're gonna do the mini lesson. We're gonna do the modified version, okay? There's nobody here to eat all that fruit, but you guys can make it at home, okay? And then tell me if you like it. Then we can try it for a smoothie, okay? So for the first measurement, we will need a 1.5 cups of raspberries. So here's a cup. On it says 1 cup. And then you will need a 1/2 cup. So this is your 1/2 cup. This is your 1/2 cup. So you get 1 cup of a cup and a half of raspberries. Then my daughter accidentally dropped the raspberries, so I'm just going to pretend like we have raspberries. I'm putting the raspberries in here. Then you're going to have a cup and a half of blueberries. It's our blueberries right here. This is my cup and a half. I already pre-measured it. So this is my cup and a half. And then we're going to add a cup and a half, again, 1 cup and a half of strawberries hulled in half. When they mean hulled, they mean cut the tops off the strawberries and then cut them in half. And this is how they should look. Like when we have snack time. Then I cut the strawberries up for you guys to eat. And next we have a cup and a half of blackberries. It's my blackberries. It's going in there. Can anyone tell me what these different fruits have in common? Are they the same color? Do they are they types of vegetables? Fruit that you eat for citrus, or are they berries? See, let's say the name of the word, these fruit words. Raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries. So they're all what, Giovanni? Berries. Good job. Good job. So next we're going to add our condiments. So the honey and the lime juice is actually like the salad dressing, okay? And we're going to mix this on top of our fruit salad. We're going to mix it, then we're going to pour it in our fruit salad. So next we'll be moving to the 1/4 cup. So let's pick out the 1/4 cup. This is my 1/4 cup. And we'll be using that, filling that up with honey. Modified version, I'll just use a tablespoon. And I'll put it in my little prepping bowl right here. So I know a lot of times when you eat salad, you want some dressing on it, right? Nobody wants to eat a plain salad. Nah, that's what I thought. People want dressing on their salad. So now we're going to make a fruit dressing to go on top of our fruit salad. So what type of a fruit salad should we call this? Since we already mentioned what these salads with these fruits having coming. So what should we name this fruit salad? Good job, Tavares. We should name it a berry fruit salad because that's what it is. It's a fruit salad that has nothing but berries in it. So now I put my honey in there. Next thing we're supposed to do is add 2 tablespoons of lime juice. So tablespoon is this one that I use for the honey. Tablespoons will have TBSP for tablespoons. And the teaspoons will have TSP. So don't forget that, okay? When you're using measurements, always remember that TBSB is tablespoon and TSP is for teaspoons. So I'm not going to use the whole cup. Use 1 tablespoon lime juice. So does anybody like sour candy in here? Tart candy, like Shock Tarts and Sweet Tarts. Anybody like those type of candies? I like sour candy. It's really good to me. You know I love sour candy. So, by mixing this berry fruit salad, some of these fruits are actually have like a tart taste to them. So, I think the honey is what will make it sweet and kind of get rid of that tart taste that you're gonna get from this fruit. So, when will you eat a fruit salad like this? Would you eat it for dinner? Would you eat it for lunch? Or would you eat it for breakfast? Victor, when will you eat this fruit salad? For breakfast? That's good. You can eat it for breakfast. When else can you eat it? Yes, you can have it for snacks too. That's a good job, Jamari. Good job. You can have it for snacks too. So I'm mixing this in the bowl with my fork, kind of whisking it, because honey's pretty thick. And then I'm pouring it on top of my fruit salad. Oh, thank you, Brady, for reminding me to say berry fruit salad. My berry fruit salad. So I'm mixing this on my berry fruit salad. And then I will stir them together. So now, this is what they look like in the bowl. So now I'm mixing it together so the honey and the lime juice can spread on the fruit evenly. In my mixing bowl. This is what you call a mixing bowl. It has like a little spot on the front that you can pour things out of. It has a handle on the back. It's the mixing bowl. And these are called prep bowls. So when you're cooking something, like say you're making guacamole, you can have your guacamole here, your onions, your tomatoes, you have them in different bowls already cut up. Then you just put them in your mixing bowl. They come in different sizes when you're cooking. So, how do you think this is going to taste now that we put our sweet dressing on top of it? It's going to taste good. Although you said you don't like sour candy, I think it would be good, Roy. I think it really tastes good. Okay, so let's go back over our ingredients again. We have a 1.5 cups of raspberries. We have 1.5 cups of blueberries. And we have 1.5 cups of strawberries, hulled and cut in half. And we have 1.5 cups of blackberries. For our dressing, we're mixing 1/4 cup of honey and 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And that makes our dressing. I think now that the summer's around the corner, I think this would be a great treat to eat outside during the summertime to cool you off after playing outside, running around. This would be something really good. So now I'm going to try it, okay? I'm going to give you all some. Everybody? Okay. Thank you, Ms.L. They've been passing everybody out. Thank you. So, now that everybody has some berry fruit salad. Thank you again, Braden. Berry fruit salad. We're going to take a bite. Wait, don't take a bite yet. Wait. Now everybody, let's take a bite. See how it tastes. It's actually good. It's not tart, not too sweet. It may need a little bit more honey for me, for my taste. I would add a little bit more honey and maybe some whipped topping. That would be good too. As a nice snack, add some more honey or put some whipped cream on top. So what would you do, Amari? Whipped cream or more honey? Whipped cream, of course. So that concludes this lesson. Next, we're going to fill out a sheet and let me know how it tastes. And then we're going to go back over these steps on how to make a berry fruit salad. Then we're going to write this down so you can take it home to your parents, okay? Make it at home. Then you can add your own modifications to it. Like Ms. Jackson, you can make something small. And you can add these ingredients, okay? So when you're in the produce section, this is the time of year where they have nothing but berries out. So you should be able to find them on sale in the store. Get you some. Try that. Matter of fact, when you make you some, bring some to me and I'll tell you how it tastes, okay? All right. I'll see you next time.